Hello YouTubers, it's another video from Shara at HoustonWeaves.com. We have some curly beautiful hair from Lavish Lengths. I think what is this like? What length is this? You don't know?
Oh, you want me to yeah.
I don't know. She's like, what? Yeah, we got
this is 22 and 18.
22 and 18 inch hair from Lavish Lengths. Everybody wants a little curly look that you can go curly, flat iron it out straight, get it really big and full, and there you can kind of see the curl pattern as I lift it up, but it's really pretty hair. Give you the really big full video chick hair, you know, look. So this is what our finished product looks like. We just left a tiny part out at the top of her hair, like thin, because everybody's like, okay, how do I blend it? I used a curling wand to blend this, you know. I mean, I guess you can use a curling iron too. My technique I use most of the time looks like this. This little thing you put in the stove is a Kazuri wand that gives you like that spiral, you know, look that matches, blends in 110% with what we got going on here. So this is our awesome finished look here, HoustonWeaves.com. Thank you very much. Appreciate you.